Imagine this. You've been diligently paying your health insurance premiums for years, maybe even decades. You open your mailbox, pull out that cheerfully colored envelope from your insurance provider and think, I've got this, I'm covered. But then, life throws you a curveball, a medical emergency. You find yourself being rushed to the hospital, heart pounding, but you cling to a sliver of comfort, whispering, it's okay, I have insurance. Fast forward a few weeks, you're back home, maybe a little worse for wear, but recovering. Then that familiar envelope reappears in your mailbox. This time it doesn't bring comfort. This time it delivers a gut punch, a bill for $100,000. Suddenly those reassuring words deductible and co-pay transform into harbingers of financial doom. How did this happen? You had insurance? Well, here's the harsh truth, folks. 90% of Americans are on the wrong health insurance plan. They're either shelling out way too much, tragically underinsured, or, let's be honest, falling headfirst into carefully laid traps set by insurance companies. That's right, it's not just you. It's a system designed to confuse you. But here's the good news. Today we're diving deep into the murky waters of health insurance. We're exposing the tricks, the traps, and the fine print gotchas, and most importantly, we're arming you with the knowledge to outsmart the system and save yourself a mountain of money. Stay tuned, your wallet will thank you. Let's be honest, picking a health insurance plan is about as much fun as a root canal. Dozens of plans are thrown at you, each with its own dizzying array of deductibles, premiums, co-pays, and networks. It's like trying to choose between 50 shades of beige, but instead of a slightly different wall color, you're risking your financial stability. The average person, understandably, has no clue what's best for them. They're drowning in jargon, overwhelmed by options, and let's be real, terrified of making the wrong choice. So what do? They panic, they choose the plan with the lowest monthly premium, assuming they're getting a good deal. Spoiler alert, they're not. This isn't just about numbers, folks. This is about emotions. Insurance companies know you're scared, confused, and vulnerable. They exploit that fear, burying crucial information in mountains of paperwork, and counting on you to just give up and pick something, anything, to escape the nightmare. But don't worry, we're just getting started. Let's talk turkey, shall we? Insurance companies are businesses, and like any good business, they want to make money. Your money. They do this by making their policies as convoluted and impenetrable as humanly possible. They bombard you with jargon, out-of-pocket maximum, co-insurance, actuarial value. It's enough to make your head spin. They dangle low monthly premiums like shiny lures, but conveniently bury the hefty out-of-pocket costs in the fine print. It's the oldest trick in the book, but it works. And if you do manage to navigate the labyrinthine policy and find yourself staring down the barrel of a massive medical bill, they unleash their secret weapon claim denials. The smallest technicality becomes their weapon of choice, leaving you to grapple with mounting medical debt while they happily count their profits. The good old employer-sponsored health plan. It's convenient, it's often subsidized, and it's a trap. Now, I'm not saying all employer plans are bad, but many employers prioritize plans that save them money. Not you. They pick plans with higher deductibles, skimpier benefits, and networks so narrow, you'd need a map and a compass to find an in-network doctor. And here's the kicker. Most employees blindly pick the default plan offered by their employer. They assume, hey, my company wouldn't screw me over, right? Well, maybe not intentionally, but when it comes down to saving a buck, your well-being might just be a line item on a spreadsheet. Let's play a little game, shall we? It's called Spot the Sucker. In this corner, we have the low monthly premium, all shiny and tempting. And in the other corner, we have the high deductible lurking in the shadows. Most people see the low premium and rush towards it like moths to a flame, but here's the thing, a low premium often means a high deductible. It's like buying a cheap car. Sure, you save money up front, but wait till that transmission blows and you're stuck with a 5-figure repair bill. You might think you're saving money each month, but if you get hit with an unexpected medical expense, that high deductible will rear its ugly head, and you'll be left to foot the bill. Meet Sarah and John, a lovely middle-class couple with 2 adorable kids, a mortgage, and a mountain of medical debt. Sarah, a marketing whiz, diligently compared health insurance plans during open enrollment. She focused on one thing, the monthly premium. She found a plan for just $180 a month. Score, she thought, we're saving so much money. Fast forward a few months. John, a freelance graphic designer, experiences excruciating abdominal pain. He needs emergency surgery. The surgery is successful, but the hospital bill is a nightmare, $95,000. Remember that affordable $180 per month plan Sarah picked? It came with a $7,500 per person deductible. So, before the insurance even lifted a finger to help, they were on the hook for $15,000. But wait, there's more. The plan only covered 60% of costs after the deductible, and to add insult to injury, there was no out-of-pocket maximum. The bills kept piling up: specialists, follow-up appointments, medications. Sarah and John, once financially stable, were drowning in medical debt, all because they fell for the low-premium trap. Look, choosing the right health insurance is daunting, but it doesn't have to be a financial death sentence. If you pick the wrong plan, you could be on the hook for tens of thousands of dollars. But if you arm yourself with the right knowledge and choose wisely, you can protect your finances and your future. Think about it. What's more stressful, spending a few hours researching health insurance plans now, or facing a mountain of medical debt later? The choice is yours. If you learned something valuable today, and let's be honest, you did hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more eye-opening financial advice, and comment below with your biggest health insurance horror stories. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss an opportunity to outsmart the system and keep more money in your pocket. Remember, folks, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your money. See you in the next video.